A big hello from Tokyo. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy chicken chashu. That's right, chicken chashu. Not pork chashu, but chicken chashu in no time at all. To make this dish, you will need one juicy chicken thigh. And to start off, take a skewer or a fork and pierce the heck out of it. Next, we need to level this thing out. So if there are any bulky bits, give them a snip or a slice. Next, flatten out the thigh, then tightly roll it up. Okay, it's looking good. Now in order to keep it nicely rolled up, it's time to insert a skewer or some toothpicks. As you can see, I'm using a wooden skewer, and I'm just going to thread it through like so, and there you go. Boom shanker. Okay, now it's time to make the marinade. You'll need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake and 2 tablespoons of mirin, half a tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use white sugar if you want. And finally, half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. And that is all you need, so now give it a good mix. Place the rolled up pork in a Ziploc bag, then pour in the marinade. Now seal it up, give it a good massage while you're at it, and then set it aside for about 20 minutes. Oh, and be careful not to pierce the bag with that pointy skewer because that would be, messy. And when the 20 minutes are up, it's time to transfer the pork and the marinade to your cooking vessel. As you can see, I'll be using the silicone steaming thingamajig. And if you don't have one, well, use a microwave-safe bowl with a lid or some plastic wrap on top. Microwave at 600 watts for 6 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn the meat over, then microwave it for another 3 minutes. Yep, that's 6 minutes in total. And when it's done, it should look like this. But we aren't finished yet. Now transfer the chashu along with its lovely juices to another Ziploc bag, stick it in the fridge and let it cool down. When you're ready to have it, plate it up, give it a wee blast in the microwave just to get those juices running, and it should look like this. Oh, but hang on, I still have to remove that skewer. Yep, that's much better. And ta-da! Your chicken chashu should look like this. Yep, a lovely glossy brown chicken torpedo. From the outside, this thing looks great, but hey, I want to check out the inside. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's pure, unadulterated chicken chashu, baby, and I'm loving it. It's 100% finger-licking chashu-licious. If you're going to have this on top of your ramen, then you probably want some nice thin slices. I'm just going to have it as is, so I'm going to cut it into some nice thick chunky slices. Now just take a look at that. Pretty hard to believe that this was once a chicken thigh. Yummo. I think no one's going to miss this one, so this one's for the chef. That is so darn good. It's like a party in my mouth. Okay, now it's time to plate this up. And ta-da! Chicken chashu with a bit of Japanese mustard. A match made in heaven. And as a final wee touch, I'm just going to drizzle on that juicy marinade. And finally, there we have it, chicken chashu. Now that was pretty easy, wasn't it? But some chashu recipes can be quite complex and time-consuming. This, however, is a super quick and easy version. Just a wee bit of prep in 6 minutes in the microwave and wham bam, chicken chashu, baby! From now on, your chicken thighs will never be the same again. As always, thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and if you feel like liking and subscribing, go ahead because I'm not going to stop you.